Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by making the essentials match: TV hardware and network. First, check your Hisense model supports AirPlay 2 and update firmware if needed. Once done, make sure your iPhone or Mac and the TV are on the same Wi-Fi network, 2, 4 or 5 GHz works. Now open the TV settings, choose Apple AirPlay and HomeKit, and enable AirPlay. You're setting the handshake so devices can find each other quickly when you start streaming. Next, you'll initiate the actual connection from your device. On iPhone, swipe to open Control Center, tap Screen Mirroring, and pick your Hisense TV. On Mac, use the AirPlay icon in the menu bar or go to System Preferences, then Displays. When prompted, enter the 4-digit code shown on the TV to complete pairing. If you plan to stream audio only or a single app, choose AirPlay inside that app for better performance. Make sure both devices remain on the same network during streaming. Finally, manage playback and finish cleanly. You can control volume and pause from your phone, Mac, or the TV remote. Use full screen or fit to screen if aspect ratio looks off. To stop, tap Screen Mirroring and select Stop Mirroring on iPhone, or click the AirPlay icon on Mac and choose Turn AirPlay off. If connection fails, restart the TV and your device, confirm Wi-Fi, disable VPNs, and toggle AirPlay off and on. That often resolves discovery and pairing issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.